tort is a civil wrong which occurs because of breach of a duty towards everybody, not a particular individual, which leads to some kind of damage. Now, when we talk of breach of duty, this damage in terms of injury, and here I don't mean injury which is bodily injury, that is covered under the term damage. Injury is a legal injury which the law recognizes that this is injury. Anything legal means which has got a sanction of law. Law जिसको डिटरमिन करता है कि ये इंजुरी है या नहीं है. That is injury, legal injury. So if this happens, there is a civil wrong because of breach of duty causes some damage to either person. Now damage could be to body, to property, or to reputation. And then in body, it can be physical or it can be mental. Physical damage means any bodily injury. Mental damage, any kind of, mental disturbance. So what are the essentials of a tort? Okay, there must be some act or omission. That's what I told you. There must be some overt act or an omission on the part of the defendant. The act or omission should result in legal damage, injuria, violation of a legal right vested in the plaintiff.